Today we'll be unboxing this little guy. It's a K5 Blazer from FMS. For the past couple of months I've been working on an indoor crawler course, and today we'll be testing this rig on it. And it has 3 different lines, a green one, a red and yellow one, and a red one, from easy to difficult. Let's start with the easiest one. So you gotta go fast. And that was it for the green one. By the way, you can skip some parts because some of them are pretty boring. Okay, I gave up because it was not going to do it anyway. Okay, after 17 takes, it finally made it. So what's the final verdict? Should you go and buy it? I would say yes, just because of the looks. It looks amazing, and it even took the beating pretty well. I don't see any broken components, no nothing. But right out of the box, it's way too bouncy. The tires are not grippy, so definitely worth the upgrade. One thing to mention is these are not all fill shocks, but you can actually put some oil in it. You got all the necessary components right here. Maybe in one of the videos I'll try to do some upgrades on it. Let me know if you want to see that. And I'm also going to be basically expanding this whole course in the coming couple of months. I hope you liked the video. Enjoy and peace out.